Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the most delicious chili. Guys, if you're new to my channel, I would like to encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell, like, share, and comment, because today you guys are in for a treat. For the most part, this is a really easy dish. You just put everything in a pot and let it do its thing, okay? So if you guys are ready, let's jump right into it. So this is my ground beef, and I'm using lean ground beef. And these are the rest of my ingredients: some kidney beans, black beans, some onions, chili powder, celery, tomato paste, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder and black pepper, and diced tomato, that is 1 can, grated garlic, cayenne, cumin, garlic salt. So to get started, in a pan we will add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll go in and saute my onions. We will do this for about 1 minute. Then I'll go in with my grated garlic and we will mix this well. Make sure everything is nice and combined. The garlic and the onion smells absolutely amazing. And this is how I build my flavors for my chili. Then I'll go in with my celery and give that a good stir. I know chili have 1,000 different recipes, and this is mine, and you guys just have to try this one. Now here is where I add my tomato paste. I like to burn that out for a bit, and I'll give it a good stir here. I'll let it cook for about a minute or two. Then I'll add a little bit of brown sugar and give that a good stir also. So after about 3 minutes, I'll go in with my ground lean beef. Now we would allow this to cook and brown up a bit here, and it smells absolutely amazing. All right, so now we go in with some onion powder, our chili powder, our smoked paprika, some garlic salt and black pepper, and some cumin, and some cayenne pepper, and we will give this a good stir here. Make sure to taste guys. Our black beans and my 1 can of diced tomatoes. Then I'm adding some garlic salt, just a little bit more, because here is where you really adjust your seasoning to your likeness. So I did realize my pot was a little bit too small, so I go ahead and pour this in my bigger pot. Yes guys, and this is OMG. I wish you guys can smell this right now. Now I'll go in with my stock, and I'm using 2 cups of beef stock. Give that a good stir and taste again. Then before I let this sit, I'll go ahead and add some green onions here, or scallions, and then I'll cover and let this cook for 60 minutes. And look how this looks, guys. Amazing. The taste is out of this world, guys. You just have to try this recipe if you haven't already. And our chili is done. So you can have this with cornbread, or you can eat this with rice, your choice. Garnish with some green onions, some sour cream, and some cheese, and some fresh chili peppers, and you're good to go. And that is how our chili looks. And this was definitely a hearty meal. All right guys, if you're new to my channel, again, please hit the subscribe button, and thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Bye bye.